Hey y'all, it's your girl Son. I'm back. If ain't nobody tell you today that they love you, I love you. Because you could be anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me right now. And just like as promised, I told y'all I was going to come back and share with y'all that free information on those cryptos, okay? Because some people I understand, you don't even understand how to buy cryptos or where to get cryptos from, okay? So we're going to go over the steps on first, how to buy them, okay? The first step you want to do is go and get a crypto wallet. You know, you can go to your app store, download Coinbase, and get a crypto wallet. Step 2, you want to fund your crypto wallet, okay? So you need to attach either your bank account, your debit card, so that you can be able to, it gives you the availability to be able to purchase different cryptocurrencies, okay? Now you can also, the good thing about Coinbase is that Coinbase allows you to get a card directly from them, okay? Once you buy the cryptos, and it also allows you to use that card and attach the cryptocurrencies directly to that debit card, okay? So you want to get a debit card once after you download the app and after you attach your bank account. You also want to go into Coinbase and get a debit card, okay? Now you want to have more than one crypto wallet, so another crypto wallet you want to go get is Atomic Wallet, because some crypto wallets do not have all of the cryptos available for purchase on it. So go get Atomic Wallet, because one of the cryptos that I'm going to tell you to get is not available on Coinbase. Okay, so the 3 cryptos that you want to get once you got these wallets downloaded, and once you got your card attached to 5 cryptos, the 3 cryptos that you want to get are XLN, which is stellar. It's under $1 right now. Buy if you can spare $1,000 right now, go drop $1,000 in it right now. Okay, another one that you want to get right now is Bitcoin. Okay, get that, and BitTorrent. Okay, those 3 cryptos right now, get it. Okay, you want to get it because it's under $1 right now. Buy as many as you can, and you want to hold it for at least a year, y'all. At least like 2022 will be your year. Okay, you hold that for a year, 2022 to 2023, and watch how that thing shoot up. Get as much as you can get right now. Okay, if you can spare 1,000, if you spare a couple thousand, if you can spare a couple hundred, but I'm telling you right now to get it, it's under $1, y'all. It's like 30 cents. I think Stellar's at like 30 cents right now. Bit is probably lower than that, and BitTorrent is lower than that. So get as much as you can get and hold it. Okay, this is how people are becoming rich off of cryptocurrencies, y'all. I just gave y'all this source for free, y'all. This is literally like a way that you can literally become a millionaire for free, y'all. Free info. So take that and run with it. I see you at the top, y'all, at the bottom. Way too proud of you. Reach for the moon and catch the stars, y'all. Let's go.